the chancellor came in, it just brought all kinds of emotions because I've helped with a lot of surprise parties but never had one myself. So it was just overwhelming. I saw my coworkers, and just one of them nominating me made me feel very special.
April is just a wonderful human being. I remember when I started residency here about 4 years ago, and April has just been incredibly welcoming, incredibly dedicated, and I've seen how hard she works behind the scenes to create radiation plans for our patients. She's also incredibly respected in our department. She does a lot of work to help recognize our coworkers, and I believe that it was her turn to get recognized. I think April and a lot of other members in our department have worked hard to create a family-type atmosphere, and there are a lot of us in the department that enjoy playing basketball outside of work. April's helped organize some basketball games and get us access to some gyms where a bunch of us in the department have played and had a fun time.
Honestly, I was surprised because we have being recognized in our facility is it's difficult because everybody's a great teammate. Everybody works hard. We just all work together, and I don't feel like I was any more special than anyone else. So it was difficult to accept something because I'm usually the giver. This is a true beam radiation therapy machine. So this is what the patient lays on, and they receive the radiation in here, but their computer plan is designed by us in medical dosimetry. Yes, everyone's excited. It's a new space, and we've lived in our space for over 20 years over there. So it's going to be exciting to move over here and have all the new equipment that we learn as a team.
I think April's just a person that radiates joy. She radiates happiness, and she's a really important member of our family.